Hello guys, let's take another problem here. Here you can see this is a box here. Related to this box, this has been given to you that small indoor greenhouse made of glass pane including base. So you can see here this room is nothing but this is an indoor greenhouse having dimensions L is equal to 30 centimeter, B is 25 centimeter and H 25 centimeter. What else has been given to you? That these glass has been held together by tape. So this is a greenhouse. All these faces, these are made up of glass. So how they join these two glass? This glass plus this glass, this has been joined together with the help of a tape. So from here you can know that these all edges, this glass and this glass, this has been joined with the help of a tape. So all these edges are nothing but a tape. So now what you need to calculate how much tape is required. So how many edges in a box are? There are 12 edges. How? You can see here. You know that in the bottom face, this side is of length L and this side of is of length L. And on the topmost face, this side is L as well as this side is also L. So what can you see here? There are 4 edges of length L. So there are 4 edges of length L, same as there will be 4 edges for B and there will be 4 edges for H. So 4 plus 4 plus 4, this will become 12 edges. So what you have to calculate? You need to calculate tape required, because all these glass they are joined together with the help of a tape. So all these tape are nothing but edges. So let's equate this sum, calculate this sum. Value for L is 30, B is 25, H is 25. So what you will get? You will get 320 centimeter. So this will be the tape required. Tape required to hold glass together in the glass greenhouse, glass door in this greenhouse room. So now what else you need to calculate? You need to calculate area of this greenhouse. Area of greenhouse. Greenhouse is nothing but a cuboid, because these dimensions are unequal. Two dimensions are same, but third one is unequal. I told you the condition for a cuboid is either all the sides need to be unequal to each other, or one of the side need to be unequal to the other two sides. So now let's calculate the area. You know that this is the area for a cuboid. Now let's put the value for L, B and H. This is 25 into 25 and this will be 30 into 25. So what you will get? You will get 4250 centimeter square. You know that length is 30, 30 into 25, 20 into 25, 30 into 25. When you will evaluate this expression, you will be getting 4250 centimeter square. So area of this greenhouse is coming out to be this, and tape required is 320 centimeter. I will be taking more problems in the next video lecture. Thank you.